Babe, you gotta do the intro.
What's up, you guys? David Van Boris here. We're at Starbucks right now.
Wow, that was pretty good, I guess. What is this dickbag doing? He's cutting in front of me? Hey! Hey!
Stop.
Hey! I'll be cutting in front of me. Alright, today we're headed to Boost because I'm actually making a couple cinematic videos for them. Doing one commercial and then the other video will be a feature video, so you'll get to see a lot of their high-end cars that they're going to do. I've been wanting to work with Boost for a while, so it's really cool that they gave me the opportunity. So today, we're going to head over there and actually film with the Sony. You'll see this on the GoPro, but the Sony, we're going to film they're dynoing, well, they're tuning and dynoing a CTSV. It's got like upper, lower, methanol, full bolt-ons. Pretty good car. So Kennedy will be in charge of the GoPro today.
Oh gosh.
So if the footage sucks, you can blame Kennedy for that.
It'll be better, actually.
It'd probably be better than mine, actually, because she knows what she's doing and I don't. So we're at Starbucks, gonna get some food and some coffee. You guys already know, I got the Bang. Shout out Bang for no sponsorship. Wasting all my money. What are you gonna get at Starbucks? Iced chai.
A dirty iced chai. And then their new breakfast sandwich has gravy on it.
If you haven't tried Starbucks breakfast sandwich, it's actually pretty good. I'm gonna get a bacon gouda. Those are delicious. Alright, so we'll see you guys at Boost.
Oh, look at this sneaky cat.
Cheddar. Look at this 4.5 Whipple 1300cc injectors. Just kidding. These are like 1600, I think. Damn. Guys, Bang Energy, Boost Performance. No better way to start the Saturday. So I'm not going to talk too much when I'm in there just because I'm trying to get some sound clips for them for the videos I'm making. So you guys kind of just enjoy what's going on and enjoy the CTSV on the dyno. Alright. Get your hand in. Oh my gosh, jeez. Can't even hold a little camera. What's wrong with you? Alright, so we just got done getting some clips of the CTSV dynoing. Just want to get some sound clips and a couple clips of George tuning. So it's gonna take me a couple weeks, maybe even a month to make this video, just because I want to get a lot of footage of a bunch of different cars that they work on, just because they work on so many cars and they do so much here at Boost Performance. But that's gonna do it for today's vlog. We're gonna go make a cinematic video of the truck actually down at the river. It's gonna be pretty sweet. So look for that. That'll be like one of the next couple videos that comes out. But make sure you guys, if you're in Amarillo, or if you're even close to Amarillo, or even far away from Amarillo, it's worth it to trailer your car over to Boost Performance. They do really good work here. They always make sure your car runs better than it did stock, and if you want to make some power, they've got some cars that really make a shit ton of power here. So they're really nice guys. You can ask for George or Brent over here. They'll really take care of you. But that's gonna do it for today's vlog. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. And follow Kennedy at VanV39. It's Kennedy McCall. I don't know, I don't really care. I just don't really care. That's gonna do it for today's video. Bye!